Well, did you ever have one of these plans and you had it all figured out? You were going to do something and you were going to do it this way. And then it just kind of went some other way. Well, I kind of had one of those things happen. So I started this video series as Mesa 5-axis because we were going to take this, put it on the Monster Mill, and run it with a Mesa card. Well, first we had a different table and it didn't work out right. And then I had this idea. The machine outside there has 2 parallel ports. The second port I'm only using like 2 inputs, so I've got all the other outputs. And I'm like, could I do a 5-axis machine using only 2 parallel ports? So instead of $200 worth of hardware on the Mesa card, just use the 2 parallel ports I already have, and then I don't have to disassemble the machine. Well, it worked. I had this thing all set up, moving back and forth, left and right, and all that good stuff. And you know, I still got my Lego set up here, so I had X, Y, and Z. Everything's moving. So I'm like, okay. So I did it all, I configured it up, it's all working. I based it on the machine that's out there already. I took that and used it as a seed. So all the numbers are already pre-calibrated. So in theory, all I have to do is button everything up. As fate would have it, as far as the power supply and stuff goes, I forgot that I had one and ordered one, so I had a whole spare. So I've got it all mounted already, and all I need to do is put this out there, wire up 8 wires to the pre-existing controller board, and then 8 lines going off to the steppers, and I've got a 5-axis machine. So this will be the last of the Mesa 5-axis playlist, and they're going to kind of go 2 different ways. So I'll make a new playlist for the 5-axis Monster, or I'll put it under the Monster Mill probably, because it's the next progression of the Monster Mill. That's probably what I'll do, and we'll go from there. So you'll follow that series. And as far as the Mesa card goes, it's not dead. What I'll end up doing is using it for some experimentation, and I'm going to build another mill. I may either use it there, or one of the things I'm looking at is I've got a Puma 6-axis robot arm, and I've also been wanting to play around with Scara robots, and this thing can process data a lot faster than the parallel ports can. So I might look at doing something like that. So there'll be some more stuff with the Mesa card and everything. Now, if you want to see something specific to the Mesa card, let me know, and I'll work out a video for that. But go back to the Monster Mill, start following that playlist, and that's where I'm going to take over with all the changes that I'm doing now. And hopefully you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching. GoPro, stop recording. Did you ever have one of the... Hi, puppy. Yes, I'm doing a YouTube video here. I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Do you mind? Do you mind just like lay down here for a little bit? Would that be okay? No? Oh, I'm a dog lover. Oh, yes, I love you. Yes, I do. Mwah. But Daddy's trying to make a video. I'm trying. Thank you. Yes, I'm trying. What? Oh, you got to go outside? Sorry.